Right, let's settle the debate once and for all. When it comes to pure speed, which Linux distro actually takes the crown? There's a lot of talk online, but today, we're putting it to the test in a real-world showdown. I've lined up 4 challengers for this face-off. Q4Os, antiX, Manjaro, and OpenSUSE. Each one claims to be fast, but only one can be the true speed demon. All of them are running on identical hardware, with fresh, clean installs. No tweaks, no extra software, just the out-of-the-box experience. That way, it's a fair fight. So, which one's lightning quick, and which one's just coasting on reputation? Let's break it down, starting with Q4Os. Q4Os is always banging on about being lightweight, and honestly, it lives up to the hype. Boot time? Super speedy, one of the fastest I've seen in this lineup. RAM usage barely tickles the meter after login. Even with a couple of apps open, it stays impressively low, making it perfect for older machines or anyone who wants to squeeze out every bit of performance. Apps open in a snap and the desktop feels snappy and responsive, even when multitasking. If you want something that just gets out of the way and lets you work, Q4Os is a cracking choice. It's simple, efficient, and doesn't bog you down with unnecessary extras. Next up, antiX. Now antiX is for the true minimalists out there. It's designed to run on even the oldest hardware, and it shows. No system, and it's so stripped down it almost feels like cheating. The interface is basic, but that's the point. It's all about speed and efficiency. In my tests, antiX consistently boots faster than the rest, and hovers at the lowest RAM usage by a wide margin. It's almost shocking how little it needs to run smoothly. Seriously, if you're reviving ancient hardware or just want a system that sips resources, antiX is your mate. It's the king of breathing new life into old laptops. Now, let's talk about Manjaro. Manjaro's got flash, it's got rolling releases, and it's packed with features. You might think all that gloss would slow it down, but, surprisingly, no. Manjaro balances speed with features beautifully. It's quick to boot, responsive, and handles multitasking like a champ, even with heavier apps. It's not quite as lean as antiX, but you get a super polished experience that flies. For users who want a modern look and feel without sacrificing too much speed, Manjaro is a fantastic pick. Last up, OpenSUSE. OpenSUSE is known for its rock-solid stability, not necessarily for being the fastest kid on the block. It's the heaviest of the bunch with more background services and a bigger footprint, but don't write it off just yet. OpenSUSE is still quick enough for daily use, especially on modern gear. If you value reliability and a huge set of tools, it's a solid choice. And if you want tools and customization, you'll get them in spades. OpenSUSE is a powerhouse for tinkerers and power users who want control. So, what's my verdict? If raw speed is all you care about, antiX takes the crown, hands down. It's the undisputed champ for lightweight performance. But if you want a slick modern desktop that's still fast and user-friendly, Manjaro is hard to beat. It's the sweet spot between performance and features. Either way, you really can't go wrong. Each of these distros has its own strengths, and the best one for you depends on your needs and your hardware. So, give them a spin, see which one fits your style, and let me know which distro is your favorite. The Linux world is all about choice, so go out there and find your perfect match.